Hi, today I'm for the NOKIA G42 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with the Ampere app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store application, and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So now I get information about my battery temperature, and in my case that's 31 and 2 degrees. And also get here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.